good morning class. This week we are learning about the life cycle of the butterfly. Today we are going to decorate our own butterfly. So the first step is that we are going to paste this page on the construction paper. We use the glue, open the glue. We are going to spread the glue on the page and we are going to paste on the construction paper. Okay. Now with your fingers we are going to rip the paper, take whatever you want. What is your favorite color? You can use your favorite color, okay? We are going to rip the paper, small pieces, because we are going to make little balls with the tissue paper, okay? We are going to put it right here. Different colors, it's going to be so beautiful. If your favorite color is the red, you can use the red one. Like that, good job. Then we are going again to spread the glue on the butterfly to paste the little tissue paper on there, okay? So take the glue again, we are going to spread all over the butterfly, like that. Do you remember our story about the very hungry caterpillar that becoming the beautiful butterfly with different colors? So it's like that, okay? So blue, red, we can use green. So just again, make little balls. We are going to paste. If you need more glue, you can use more glue. It's okay, the size of the ball is don't have to be too small. We're still making little balls. Now we can put the eyes on the face right here. Again, glue, a little bit of glue. Just put the eyes right here. We can use crayons to color the butterfly first if you want it. And look how beautiful is our